these are always popular when we get them in here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Definitely quick sellers. We don't get them too often, but they are popular. 1947 Dodge Power Wagon, frame-off restoration, 230 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder underneath the hood, 4-speed manual transmission, retains the original bumper and braided winch. Great color combination in the dark green, black fenders and running boards. Check out the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. It's kind of a flat black finish on the fenders, more of a gloss green on the rest of the body. Paint shows well. It's a darker color. You may find a small imperfection here or there, but overall, this truck has the look to it. No doubt about that. 2-piece military wheels. Those big, rugged off-road tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. We will start this up, let you hear it run. Jason will take it for a drive at the very end of the video. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out that interior a little bit closer. Wood bed has been finished off nicely in this one also. Something to remember as we do consider trades, financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I believe, what were these called? WM300 models. Power Wagon experts out there, chime in down in the comments. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. This one has also been converted to 12 volts. Fires up, runs very smoothly. And like I said, we'll take a peek underneath that hood, start it up. If you're a Dodge fan, maybe like military vehicles, something that's just off the beaten path, let's put it that way, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and you can do that online or right off our showroom floor. And again, you can see the paint shows well. No major dings or scratches that I have noticed on it. Again, frame off restoration. Take a look at the underside pics. Engine bay, interior, door panels look good. Seat belts installed, so we have a kind of camel or saddle, vinyl bench seat. Rubber flooring, nice shape, of course, 4-wheel drive. Dolphin aftermarket gauges. I do not believe the odometer was working, just so you're aware of that. All right, so we're going to turn the key on here. Up underneath the dash, there's a push for the starter up above the foot pedal. So let's go ahead, make sure we're neutral, we're fired up. That's all it takes to start it. This one is fired over every time I push that starter, just boom. Get a good look at the dash. Whoops, that was a seat belt that you heard on the metal running board. Headliner looking good. Door closes nicely in it. It sounds as you'd expect. That inline 6, again, 230 cubic inches. As you know, these are workhorses, stump pullers. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get at least one of these engine panels open so we can check that out in the hood. The side panels, I guess, if you'd refer to it as. So let me go ahead and pause this. I'll be back. We'll check out that engine bay, and then, like I said, stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take it for a drive. All right, check this out. So Both side panels obviously can lock open. Single barrel carb. Does have a manual choke. FYI, I have not had to use the choke. And there's a horn button in the center of the dash too, I forgot to mention. As you can see, there's a 12-volt system, battery disconnect for when it's in storage or in between drives. Listen and look how smooth that thing runs. Technician did have in the notes, there is some minor seeps as far as drivetrain, nothing out of the ordinary for a vehicle that can be driven and is driven. Good looking engine bay, and what a smooth running 230 inline six. These things are just downright cool. 1947 Dodge Power Wagon, frame off restoration, smooth running driver. Stick around just a little bit longer. Jason's going to take you for a virtual ride in this beast. Number to call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1947 Dodge Power Wagon, a very capable working machine from 1947, beautifully restored in green and black. This is a manual transmission on the floor. Shifts nicely, runs very smoothly. The oil pressure is about a quarter of the way up the gauge. The water temperature also about a quarter of the way up. Our speedometer is working as it should. The volts are charging over 14, and the fuel tank is showing 3/4 of a tank. With nearly new tires and a beautiful seat. Everything else is going to last you a long time on this truck. It is built for hard work and long lasting. Woodwork in the bed, looking very good. There's a push button with your foot above the throttle to start it. Just turn the key. Of course, hold the clutch down for safety and push that button and it starts right up and loves to run. You don't see very many of these, and you definitely don't see many in this good a condition. It's almost like driving a big rig in 1947. So much history to these trucks. And with a name like Power Wagon, how much better does it get? Take a look at all the pictures of this 47 Dodge Power Wagon at uniqueclassiccars.com.